are visiting this special factory to see how raw potatoes are turned into the famous perfectly stacked Pringles crisps.
Every person must go through strict security before entering this high production facility.
Here at the farm, we only choose the best quality potatoes from carefully selected farms for making Pringles.
Thousands of tons of raw potatoes arrive at this factory every day to be turned into Pringles.
Thorough cleaning of these potatoes is very important. It ensures the hygiene and quality of the final Pringles product. After washing and peeling, the potatoes are now ready to be turned into the special dough used for making Pringles.
This finishes the first major stage of production, where raw potatoes from the fields are cleaned and prepared for the next transformation.
The cooked potatoes are carefully mashed to create the perfect base for Pringles dough. The quality of this dough decides the final texture and shape of every Pringles crisp.
The unique hyperbolic shape you see here is cut with extreme precision. This allows every crisp to stack perfectly later in the can.
After cutting, the raw Pringles shapes are now ready to go for frying.
This stage is one of the most important because the perfect shape is what makes Pringles unique in the world. We process the peeled potatoes, and this completes the second stage, turning them into these perfectly shaped raw Pringles, ready for frying.
This finishes the second major stage of production, where raw potatoes become the iconic Pringles shape.
The frying temperature and time are precisely controlled to get the perfect golden color and crispy texture. Different flavors are applied evenly on the hot crisps in this section. The seasoning process is very important because it gives Pringles their famous consistent taste. After frying and seasoning, the crisps are now ready for the famous stacking process. The frying and seasoning stage is what gives Pringles their world-famous taste and crunch. The crisps are now perfectly fried and seasoned for the next stage.
This completes the third major stage of production, where the raw-shaped pieces become perfectly fried and seasoned golden Pringles crisps.
The unique stacking technology is what makes Pringles different from all other potato chips in the world.
After sealing, the plastic lid is placed on top to make the can resealable. The finished Pringles cans are now ready for quality inspection before being moved to storage, ensuring perfect quality every time. This stage turns the loose crisps into the famous stackable Pringles cans that customers love. The finished Pringles are now ready for storage and dispatched to markets worldwide. This completes the fourth stage, where the crisps are perfectly stacked and packaged into the famous Pringles cans.
This finishes the fourth major stage of production, where the golden crisps become perfectly stacked and packaged Pringles ready for the world.
Every batch of Pringles goes through strict quality checks before it is approved for dispatch. The finished Pringles are stored here under controlled conditions before being sent to markets worldwide.
Okay, bring it back slowly. Watch your clearance on the left. Straighten up now. Perfect.
From right here in the dispatch area, we send Pringles daily to different countries and markets all around the world. The factory runs 24 hours to keep up with the global demand for Pringles.
Even during the night shift, we maintain the same high standards of quality and hygiene here at Pringles. Around the clock, quality is our priority.
This completes the full journey from raw potatoes to perfectly stacked Pringles ready for customers worldwide. Pringles are now ready to reach customers all over the world.
This completes the full journey of how raw potatoes become the perfectly stacked Pringles crisps that the world loves.